What, do you think we were going to Mammoth again?
Oh, I didn't know where we were going. Just up to Owens Valley.
Oh.
Are we going to Bishop?
No, we're going to Lone Pine.
Well, I mean, we could go to Bishop one day. It's right there.
We could have an extra day to go there. I didn't plan on going there.
I was just thinking of Sean's Bakery so we could get that sourdough bread.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine. We'll plan that out. We would drive up in the car.
Yeah. I just meant for a day. Go up there and get our bread. And
Yeah. One day I want to drive around Owens Lake. You know, Lanchin over to Keeler and around. And then another day I want to go up to Independence, Onion Valley.
Onion Valley?
Yeah. See, I want to drive up in the Sierra. I want to drive up to Mount Whitney, so I want to make sure those roads are open.
This hasn't peeled. It's just, look, it's just all wrinkly.
Takes time.
God. I'm going to call him next week and say, hey, my chest is just old and wrinkly. It didn't peel. What happened? Looks worse than it did before. He'll say, well, you are old and wrinkly.
You say put some lotion on it.
Well, that keeps it from peeling. I want it to peel. I wore this because it pretty much covers it. It's pretty high.
Now this land here is available.
To buy?
Yeah. See all this here, this land here, I think
Look at purple.
oh my gosh.
Is that sage?
Where's your phone?
This is Kathy. Well, you know what? I have home security. She's it's a recording. Home security.
Okay, so we're going to go on Holland up here.
Yeah, when you got your phone call, you know, and it was 310, 386,
Yeah.
I was just thinking, that's weird. I never get a call that's like 562-644. That was 562-644. You know, I was going to say, gee, I never get one with my prefix.
Oh, yeah.
And here I get one 20 minutes later. My face is still a little bit white. It's chocolate. The color will come back.
See, it's that place with the brick or the tile roof. I'm pretty sure that's it. See this dairy over here.
Oh,
It's right.
yeah.
Yeah, Winchester Cheese Company.
Yeah. It's not open still, is it?
No.
I need find a historic landmark for that. We'll go up there. There's a wagon up there.
Just calm down. I'm trying to get footage of it.
Oh, you're videotaping.
Is it the
What are those big things?
well,
Silo or something?
something went in there and then they dropped it out the bottom, so I'm not sure. Could have been waste. Sucked in there. I'm gonna wait for that truck.
Look at that covered wagon.
I'm gonna wait for that truck to go.
You see that covered wagon?
Yeah. Now this would have been all full of pastures, and the cows stick their head through those bars,
Yeah.
and they would drop their feet along the fence.
Oh, right here?
Right
actually?
here. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, they look like they're kind of close together for those cows' heads. Yeah, they got big heads. Essex, like SC Link Dairy.
Let's take a quick picture. Sure. Where the fuck is my camera?
Just put it in the back.
Well, up here, son, look, there it is. That's why that case is going to have space for my cameras. A little extra space.